Hi everyone, I just wanted to tell you my favorite thing about this bottle tumbler, and that would have to be the lid. It's actually a dual lid. So the straw goes in through this little silicone straw holder, so it really holds it in place really well. It doesn't slip out and it keeps it from leaking as much. And then if you don't want to use the straw, which sometimes I don't like to, especially if it's like a hot drink, it has this little slide right here that covers up that hole, and you can just drink your drink through that, just like a sip. And I think that's perfect because sometimes I like to put coffee in this, sometimes I like to have ice water, so it makes it a lot easier to be able to drink whatever you're having. And I love that this covers the silicone hole right here, so you're not gonna have to worry about when you're drinking it that it's going to spill on you or anything like that. I just think it's really nice. It's really well made and thought out and just super convenient. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.